So today we'll be attempting to change out these old taps that we've got here. The rest of the bathroom has some nicer looking ones, so we'll swap these taps over to some ones that match the same. So we've got them. So our mains water is at the front here. There's our meter, and there's the tap for the house. And if you turn this tap off, it'll turn the water off for the whole house. It's worth everyone in your house knowing where that tap is, because if you have any kind of major leak, that's where you want to come. That's what you want to turn off while you wait for a plumber or to fix it yourself. So usually it's near a main garden tap at the front. So yeah, just familiarise yourself with where that is, and turn it off before you do this job. So now that the water's off at the main, so I'm just going to make sure that the water drains out. So just turn it back on for a bit and leave it open. So first we'll undo the old tap and remove the old tap. Then the new tap comes with all of the fittings like it would if you're putting in a brand new tap with a new sink and a new basin and stuff. But what I recommend that you try is, first, if you just want to replace the taps, you replace just this top bit. So you can take out the top bit and just put the top bit into here. And these are the standard tap fittings. So for replacing your taps, it is literally as simple as that. And then obviously this is not the cold, it's the hot, but you get the idea anyway. And that's one of the taps done. So it really is very easy. If you had to replace all this stuff, and that's what I was actually prepared to do, it might get a bit trickier. But yeah, it's not too bad. One more thing is when you're tightening these up, you want to have that tap on to tighten them up. So next part is for the spout. And for the spout, basically you have a nut like this on the bottom of it, which you need to undo. So I've already undone it, but that's probably the trickiest part of this whole changeover, is that nut. So I've undone the nut, and once you've undone the nut, you can just it has a bit of a seal on it, but that just pulls off. And then the nut actually is the standard size too, so it fits the new one. So it's just a matter of putting this back on and tightening up the nut, so I'll do that. So I've just given a clean around the tabs to get rid of the 20 years or whatever that's on it. I've tightened up the inside spout. So tighten these up, and then that's about it. We'll put the water back on and have a test. Make sure we don't have any leaks. So that's it. The taps are all installed. We've tested for leaks underneath. And yeah, it's a very easy job. That probably took 15 minutes. Maybe 20 minutes, and cheap, easy way to modernise your bathroom. So give it a crack, guys. If you like this video, please
give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Cheers.